Welcome. In front of me I have GARETT Atom watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. So to unpair our watch from the Android phone, we can open the GARETT Smart application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Then we can tap on the watch option. And here you should see your GARETT Atom on the watch page. Now tap on remove watch, tap on remove. And if you see this pop-up, tap on settings. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here you need to tap on the info or settings icon next to your GARETT Atom. Tap on forget and tap on forget. And once you remove it, you can close the settings, close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.